Leo. Yeah, kitty. Come on up. Oh, he's coming.
Good boy, girl, boy.
Come on. He's a boy.
I know.
Come on.
Leo.
Yeah, come on. Come on. He's such a good boy. Come on, buddy.
Kitty.
Come on.
Hey.
Cuddle time.
Hi. How are you? Huh? Are you tracking snow?
No,
What's on the stairs?
it's Leopold's hair.
No. Those white patches?
He's purring.
I know.
Hey, buddy.
Kitty, kitty. Come on, buddy. Can't believe you were out in the snow. Come on. Come on.
Go see Mom. Come on.
How
Chuckle.
What did you do?
The driveway
Yeah.
and
Did you do the front?
yeah, the front.
Dad's not out there, is he?
No, I moved a lot of snow.
I know you
and
did.
So eventually we'll have to uncover the cars, but
Yeah.
the cars can be maneuvered out into the
Yeah.
street.
Like we shouldn't do, but that's okay.
Well, you gotta, reposition them. So he was lying on your bed, Mom.
Oh yeah?
Yep. That's a first.
That is.
Hey. I hear him purring.
Yep.
Zoom in. Zoom out. Ready? Leopold, let's see your nose. Ready? Zoom in. No nose. Wait, you see the nose? There it is. Look at that nose. Kitty, kitty. Zoom out. Okay, Leo, oh, he's headbutting the stair. That was funny. Do it again. He headbutted the step and it dragged it. That was funny. Oh, he's maneuvering. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, what are you doing? 2 minutes on this and he's stretching.